Today I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate that is truly, truly healthy. Hi, I'm Dr. Christensen and welcome to my kitchen. Have you ever felt like we have that the hot chocolate that you buy commercially is just too sweet and it's just quite frankly not healthy? Today I'm going to show you our recipe for what we call a hot choco-latte. This recipe was developed by us several years ago, loosely based on what was called bulletproof coffee. And it was a coffee that is including various oils that is used classically in a ketogenic diet. But what we found is this is a great version for those of us who don't drink coffee, and it energizes the body. We know that chocolate or cacao in its more original state is very, very nutritious. It has lots of antioxidants, it has the polyphenols, it has theobromine, which is similar to caffeine, but it's not caffeine, and it stimulates the body but doesn't exhaust the body, and just quite honestly very, very healthy for you. In fact, in our new diet that we've put forth, which we call the LAW diet or longevity and wellness diet, chocolate is one of the things on the daily checklist to put into your body because it is so healthy for you. And so this version of hot chocolate is not overly sweet. It's got the dark chocolate, and again, very, very healthy and nutritious. And so to make this hot choco-latte, we start with barley tea. Now you could use just plain hot water, and that works just fine. And on days that we don't want to brew up the tea, we'll use just hot water. And so this simply is a packet of roasted barley. It's put into a tea bag. We buy this at the Asian market, and it's delicious. It's got that roasted flavor. Again, very high in antioxidants, very nutritious for you. And so we're going to begin with 2 cups of the barley tea, and it was boiling just a couple of minutes ago, and so I'm going to fill my Blendtec blender up to 2 cups, and that's what we start with. With the barley tea. So 2 cups of barley tea. Our next ingredient is going to be butter, and many people mistakenly think that butter is not a healthy food. I was going to say respectfully disagree, but disrespectfully disagree too. We don't want that. So 2 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, my measuring methods are rarely exact. Finally, next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. One of the things that I encourage you to do when you measure either your herbs or spices or whatever it is, begin by measuring using a tablespoon or a teaspoon. Measure it, level it off, and dump it in your hand so you get a visual look of what it looks like. And so after a while, you don't need to use the measuring spoons quite as much because you know what it looks like in your hand. So if I'm measuring a 1/4 teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon or a teaspoon of something, I can simply put it in my hand, and visually I've got a pretty good idea of how much I've got. The next ingredient is a heaping tablespoon of the cacao powder. We like the cacao powder from Mountain Rose Herbs. It's lightly roasted. It's very, very healthy. It's organic, and it's just delicious. We add some honey, and this is just some Costco brand honey, and then I'm going to put in, it says anywhere between a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Some people like it sweeter than others. We tend to like it on the less sweet side. And so that's my basic ingredient. Now there's a couple optional things that you can put in. We will buy this vanilla bean powder, which is very good. We make our own vanilla extract, which I think is absolutely wonderful. We've got a YouTube on that, or just a couple drops of peppermint essential oil. And so I'm going to put just 2 drops of peppermint essential oil in here. I really like the peppermint flavor. There's 1, 2, 3. Oops. And so that's our basic recipe. And now what we do is we simply blend it, and it's ready to go. And so here's a word of caution. When you're blending something that's hot, it wants to explode as soon as you do that. And so you put the lid on. You're always protecting the lid. This is hot boiling tea, and so you don't want that blasting through your face. And so I'll begin just with a little pulse. And so that's it. And so what we've got here is our hot chocolate. What you'll find when you make this can be a quick, easy breakfast. And you can look at it, it's nice and frothy, and it's absolutely delicious. You drink this hot chocolate, and it's gonna stay with you. This will last me till lunchtime. And again, healthy, nutritious. We use the Kerrygold butter. The butter is so healthy. It's a dark yellow. It's grown in Ireland, where the cows are grown in Ireland. It's actually finding to be healthier than the organic. And so enjoy a nice warm cup of hot chocolate. If you enjoy this recipe or any of the other cooking recipes or videos that we have, we encourage you to purchase our book, Healing in the Kitchen. This has lots and lots of recipes, things that we actually use, things that we've tweaked and tried over the years. This is our recipe, Hot Choco-Latte, and it gives you background information as why it's healthy. And again, go to our webpage at drkylechristensen.net and order the book. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you'd like, and support us supporting you in helping to get healthier and happier.